Greetings, this is Learning English with Rahul Mahashabde. This video is meant for those who are appearing or taking competitive examination and learning vocabulary. Vocabulary plays an important part in developing and enhancing language skills in general. Verbal ability, no doubt, is a building block of language. A learner may be a student, an office goer, or a homemaker. Introduction. Candor. Hiding or concealing something from someone is very common. Of course, not all do concealing. In general, it is very common phenomenon. We all like a person who is honest, frank, call a spade, or outspoken. These persons do not veil or cover from the other person. They are blunt. They do not keep anything in his or their heart or hearts. They are candor. So today's word is candor. Its spelling is Candour. Its pronunciation is candor. Word category, it belongs to word category of noun. So it doesn't exist in other words, but other word category like noun, like a verb or adjective or an adverb. Meaning is very simple. The meaning is the quality of being open and honest. Frankness. Synonyms are frankness, openness, honesty, candidness, truthfulness, sincerity, forthrightness, directness, straightforwardness, plainness, call spade a spade, unreservedness, bluntness, and outspokenness. Examples are: he was known for his kindness, his candor, and his dislike of hypocrisy. I don't trust him, he said in a rare moment of candor. His charm, passion, and candor are very refreshing in this age of flash and hype. A human being, but a professional, he answers questions with generosity, intelligence, and candor. This word is very common again in the press, and I have taken some of the examples from the press. So some of the examples are: BMC Council says Kangana Ranaut has shown no candor. Bombay High Court to hear Sanjay Raut's counsel on Tuesday. What makes Hamid Ansari's book truly special is the candor and at times outspoken with which he has written of prevailing state of affairs. The minister said New Delhi has strong ties with UK and will take up such matters with such candor when required. There is a name of a book also, which the title is Unconventional Candor: The Life and Times of George Smitherman. Discussion. Candor, is an absorbing word. It has a direct meaning. In literal sense, it means quality of being open, honest, and sincere. The corresponding adjective is candid, as I want you to be candid. Further inquiry of this word candor reveals it is more or less not prejudiced, free from malice, and fair. It has its origin from French candeur and word from Latin candere, to shine or to be white. Very good example is the sun poured with me a golden candor, that is brightness. So won't you like to be like the sun, frank, open, sincere, fair, and of course candor. With this I end this particular video. We will meet again with a new word. Till then, it's goodbye from me. Bye bye.